All right, as you can see, so we have the first capacitor. As you can see, that first
Hello
capacitor you have.
friends, welcome to Circuit Key. Today we have HP650 G2. The problem with this one is not powering on, no sign of life. As you can see, not coming up. The charger is plugged in and it's not coming up. So let's see if we have power on the charger. Alright, as you can see, we have 19.5 volts. Alright, charger is connected. So let's test to see if we have current flowing on this motherboard. How do you know if we have current flow on the motherboard? So after plugging charger, we'll check on the battery terminal. So this is the battery terminal. So we have to check on the data of this battery terminal if we have 3.3 volts in 2 or 3 places we should have 3.3 volts, and over here we have 0 volt. Sorry, let's do that again. As you can see, we have 0 volt on the data and clock. Right on these battery terminals, there are no voltages. That tells us that we don't have voltages flowing on this motherboard. Secondly, how do we know if we have voltages aside checking from the battery terminal? So we check on the current resistor. So here is the current resistor. So I'm trying to see how I can put my meter through for you to see on the screen. Okay, so the black probes on ground. Okay, so here we have the current resistor. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, so we have here the current resistor. We have 0 volt on the current resistor. So um, at this point, I would say we are having a shorted motherboard here. So this board is shorted. And how, if I may ask, how are we sure this motherboard is shorted, and how do we test if the motherboard is shorted? So this is how we test to know if we are having short on the motherboard. So what we do, turn our meter to continuity mode. Let's be sure it's on continuity mode. Yes, we are sure of that. So let's go to the current resistor. Remember, you have to check through the current resistor through the inductor. So firstly, so let's go to the current resistor. That's when we know the kind of short. We'll be able to identify the kind of short we have on this motherboard. So right on the current resistor, let me look for a good position for this. Okay, so this is fine. So here is the current resistor. So right on the current resistor, as you can see, this motherboard is shorted, and this is 19 volt power rail short. So that's how we get to identify the short. So if we want to check further, if we are having short with 3.3 volts, processor short like 1.1 volt short, 0.9, 0.1 volt short, all of this. We have to check through the inductors. So as you can see, the inductors are fine. You see, you can see the horns. So the inductors are fine. All right. So let's check if we're having short on the 3.3 volts section. So this is a 3.3 volt section. Okay. Still on continuity mode on the 3.3 volt section. Please you listen to the sound, the battle sound from meter, because my screen is not wide enough to contain the meter screen. So let's go. So on the 3.3 volt section, you can see we don't have any short. We don't have any short on this 3.3 volt section. So okay, all right. So on the current resistor, that's where we have the short, which is here. This is the current resistor. So I have to zoom in. Okay. All right. So can hear from the multimeter. So we have short over there. Okay, so that's 19-volt power rail short. So what we are going to do now, we have to come with some voltage on that point. So let's inject voltage to that point. So I'll be coming with about so I have 2 volt on my power supply. So I have 2 volt on my power supply, and I have about 2 amps. So let's see what will be getting hot. So let's check what will be getting hot. So I'm really sure this will be a capacitor short. Okay, so I'll have to inject through the current resistor. Okay, so injecting current through the current resistor. So I'm checking around to see what we're getting hot. Remember, it's 19-volt power rail short, so we have to go through the 19-volt line. You understand? So pay attention. Alright, see, somewhere here is getting hot. Okay, so I'm not sure what exactly is getting hot, but I think maybe this will be either the capacitor or this MOSFET. So this is a switching MOSFET here, and we have 3 capacitors in parallel. So that point is getting hot. So in order for me not to burn my finger, so I will come with candle. So I'll have to apply my candle wax. Okay. So I'm applying candle wax on that point. Okay. Alright, so after applying candle wax on that spot, so I'll be coming with my voltage here. So this will be getting hot. So alright, as you can see, so we have the first capacitor. As you can see, that first capacitor you have the same. So that's where the problem is. So what I'm going to do now, I will have to break it out. Let's crack out that capacitor. All right. Okay. Let me know in the comment section if this is a proper method to solve a challenge like this. Do you have other ways to solve it, better ways? Let me know. Okay. So already we are having a working board. Okay. So let's go check on the current resistor if we still have short. Alright. So I have my meter on screen. Still on continuity mode. Okay, so on the current resistor, as you can see, we no longer have short there. Okay. So I'm checking again to be sure. So we no longer have short there. So it's fine. The same. So the board is fine. Okay. So what do you think? Should I replace the capacitor? My answer is no. If you have the whole day, you can go ahead and replace yours. For me, no. We won't replace the capacitor. No capacitor, no short. All right. So let's test.
What do you think? Will it work? All right. So plug in charger. So we have light. So this board is working. So I'll come with screen. Let's see if we have picture on the screen. Okay, the thing is like this. Okay, okay, it's like this. All right. Okay. All right. So plug in charger. All right. So we have picture. Okay. So end this recording here. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, follow for more. Share your thoughts in the comment section. All right. Thanks for watching.